What's up, everybody? It's your boy Handy Danny, and this is part 2 on hanging a Prehung or a knockdown door. Last week we prepped the door with the little tabs here, and these tabs are super awesome for the simple fact that I don't even need any shims because I'm able to get level with it. So as I grab the handle, I've been looking at my head there, and I'm able to screw that in, and my door's starting to swing already, which is a good sign there, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna immediately come over here to my hinge side. Right here on the hinge side, I'm gonna go ahead and screw the whole entire hinge side up first. All right, now that I got my hinge side screwed in, where all the magic really comes to play is, I have this little guy right here in my pocket. It's a little flat bar. It's made by Dasco. I got it from Home Depot. It was like $11. I'll put the link down below where you can get yours. But this little guy is perfect for the simple fact that it's gonna give me the perfect reveal. So as I close this door right here, you see that my reveal up here is pretty good, but down here in the center, it's a little tight. So what I do is I take my little flat bar, I'm able to adjust it, get my little 1/8 inch in there. So when I screw this in, with my flat bar in there, see how this reveal down here is really wide? I need to go back a little bit, stick my little flat bar in there. I got everything tight to my flat bar. So when I screw it in, everything's perfect. The door swings. All I have to do is put the handle set on there. You can see my reveal is good all the way down. My reveal is the same right here in the back. It's a little wider there, which is okay. And my head reveal is good. So this is how you hang a Prehung door or a knockdown door by yourself with no shims. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.